Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican-style flan. First, let's create that beautiful caramel. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, without stirring, until it turns a lovely amber color. Once it's ready, carefully pour the hot caramel into your flan mold, swirling it to coat the bottom and slightly up the sides. Let it cool completely to harden. Next, we'll prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a blender, combine 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup of whole milk. Add 5 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend all these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overblend, as too many air bubbles can affect the flan's texture. Now it's time to bake our delicious flan. Carefully pour the smooth flan mixture over the hardened caramel in your mold. Place this mold into a larger baking pan. Then, fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan mold. This water bath ensures even cooking. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes, or until set. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This is a crucial step for proper setting. After it's cooled, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the mold, then carefully invert the flan onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade Mexican-style flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.